destination is on the right.
We have arrived. Dang it, we didn't say it.
Let's wait for it.
Well, I think to where you can't get in.
Oh, look at these guys.
Yay, we made it.
Yee.
Well, we're here.
Chestnut.
Berm Park, boys and girls.
Heck yeah, son. It's going to be freaking awesome. Berm Park.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's going to be pretty sick.
Look at these.
We're going to run these guys over right here.
I'm not getting it done.
Full
You ready?
suspension. Right. This place is going to be so sick.
Oh my gosh, dude. It's going to be
That's Seth.
Oh,
There it is. Bro, it's
There's Seth.
right there, Seth. Bike hats, bro.
See him
Oh,
right
I was
there.
thinking about that.
Yeah.
Sick as crap.
That's freaking awesome, bro. You got to be kidding me. I told you you'd be here.
I don't think I did. Did you get him on video?
Yeah, I got it. I think I got it.
Dang it, I don't think I did.
Bro, we're like fanboying over
Oh my
freaking
gosh, freaking amazing.
this random guy.
See it's trailhead.
Let's get up there.
I got him.
Oh! Oh, there we go. All right, boys and girls, we just got done here. We're standing out here beside a clickbait. I didn't hit the jump zone roller dice except for the main ones. I hit the little baby ones, but it was a pretty good day. Surprisingly enough, I hit everything on clickbait. I was pretty stoked. I thought I was going to do on the way up here, but then got up here and it was a little bigger than I thought. But yeah, we had a pretty good day. Pretty good time, really. Like the video. If we get whenever we reach 330 subscribers, I'll drop the next video. Yeah, go ahead and subscribe. We'll do that, and yeah. Thank you guys. See ya next video. Rolling.
Yep. Oh, frick. Oh, frick. I'm about to do the same next thing.
Get him, buddy.
Here we go. Dirt master. Yeah. Oh, you greased it. Oh, whippage. Roll it in. Woo!
Oh yeah, that's a good one, bud.
Yeah, you greased everything. The bear country. And then guess we'll see you in the next one, boys. It's been a sick day. Like I said, this is my favorite park of all time. Love how you can, love how you can session it. The climb is like, it's like 1 minute trails and 2 minute climb. Tons of sick jumps. That's like the sick thing about it. And yeah. Oh, that's pretty sick right there. Alright, bear country boys. Back down to the van.
It's pretty fun, wasn't it?
Yeah, it's pretty sick.
Busy day for both of those.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Alright, here we go, bear country. It's like I was running loose, so hopefully we won't wad. Oh, double. Got to meet Seth. Yeah. Oh, frick. Oh, that was sick. Oh, I'm gonna hit that tree. How about rounds we saw the main track? I'll say just keep going.
Probably, yeah. Don't pass me
Oh
now.
my god. Oh, it's loose right here. Whew. Yeah.
That's pretty sick.
Oh yeah. That's how many trails, but it's probably the most technical of all.
You guys have to go technical stuff to do that.
We got a fast guy coming behind us.
Nice little farmer here.
Oh, it's super firm, yeah. Oh, Wally.
Jay, this thing's beating the crap out of me.
Guys. Back down to the house. Been a good day. Peace out from Berm Park, baby.